What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be installing this Crowder 404 camshaft. What the? I knew it! I knew it! You were way too close last time we raced. You were still behind, but you were way too close. I knew you were stealing secrets. I knew it. No, I swear, no, it's just not there. Not there. You guys will slap an eBay turbo for $100 on this piece of shit $500 motor, and then you guys go to the dyno and get tuned by some special tool, and then you guys make like 400 horsepower, and I'm still here with my big block, big carburetor, big intake, big header, big everything, and I'm still making 350 horsepower, man. It's not fair. If you wouldn't drive a boat, you wouldn't have to worry about that. With the let me turn the AC off while I race. A race car is a race car, nothing else. Oh my god, now I gotta deal with Princess VA and pick on my pole. God, I'm tired of all these losers. Now that we got all of that out of the way, let's get back to business. And first, let's start popping that out just like that, real nice and simple. Don't even. Then we're gonna grab a 10 on a power tool, and you're gonna wanna go in to out. So start right here. Come away. Now that we got that out of the way, let's remove the tension out of the belt. So now we're gonna take the tension out of the timing belt, and we're gonna go and grab that 14 mil, loosen it up. As you can see, the belt's loose. So we're gonna slowly wiggle the belt out. Just put it right there behind the mount. Then just make sure all the bolts are loose so we can start taking out the can caps. Usually they come right out. If they don't, then just kind of wiggle them out, or sometimes you gotta be a little persuasive. Now let's grab all the main caps and put them in a very safe place, not on top of a cardboard box, but hey, I don't judge, and you shouldn't either. Dad, see this? Just get rid of it.
Dude, you're so white.
So, after you are done with your little bitch fit, grab your favorite gun, take the 12 mil bolt out. Don't try this at home. God damn. You know what? Bigger socket. Something bigger. God dang. Oh my god, my hand. I think it was a little tight. You know what's funny? I still need to get it out for the keyway.
I don't even know how you did that.
Well, this did it.
Dog.
Let's go, Poppy.
Alright, so what happened?
So I broke the cam gear. Down on top of that, I broke the seal. Oh shit. So now we're gonna pick up a new one. On our way to the second store.
What did he mention for you to go?
He's telling me to go to Goodwill and drop the car off there. Yo! Found the seals and got some spark plugs, so car will run tonight. Now that we're back and put everything back together, we can actually drop it, not actually physically drop it. So now that we got the engine assembly lube, we're gonna drizzle it in there, all the moving parts. Right, nice and lubed up. Then we're gonna put a beautiful cam in. All right, so make sure our seal is in place. Right there. Then we're gonna keep on spreading lube. It's never too much lube. All right, now that we got her ready, now that we got it ready to go, we can start grabbing all the cam caps, putting them back on. Yes, sir. Make sure they're all in their respective spots. Just tap it in. Make sure it goes into the dowel pins. You know how many Honda boys are gonna be freaking out that I'm doing this?
Man, you don't know what you're doing! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Shut up. Live your life. I'll live mine. So, now that we ran them down, we're just gonna do the sequence by hand just to kind of get a feel. So, always go inside out. Just kind of bringing down the cam. So now we're gonna be putting on the timing belt. And if you've never done it before, you always want to put the exhaust side first and then take all the tension and then put it on the intake side. Then you want to make sure that it's still in you want to make sure that the cams are still in time. And I don't like using the 12 in the front, because usually you break them off loose. So usually I'll just grab back here, slowly work with it. But you see, I moved this cam and put the slack on this side, so I had to redo that again. And this side has no tension, so I gotta put the tension from this side over to this side. This might take a couple times. Alrighty, so let's try this again. So this one goes. So over here we have this mark on the exhaust and this mark on the intake, both at the same spot. Then we have up, and then we left all the slack on the water pump side, which is the side with the tensioner, and it's going to be a 14 mil in the middle of the block. And once you tightening that bolt, it will take away the tension, and you're racing, papi. No more slack. Racing. If you enjoyed this video and all the headaches and everything that we did in this video, because I kind of lost track, please go down there, like, subscribe, follow me in all the social medias if you want to see me behind the scenes, on top of the scenes, on top of the game, out of the game, it don't matter. But as I've sat in my computer and noticed that 99% of you guys subscribe and still watch my videos, like, if you guys like me that much, just like, please just subscribe, notification, just help a fella out. See you in the next video.
On today's episode of how f***ed is f***ed up. That's f***ed up. And that's f***ed up. And